Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Banoffee pie. First, gather your ingredients. About 250 grams of digestive biscuits, 100 grams of melted butter, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 ripe bananas, 300 milliliters of heavy cream, and some chocolate for garnish. Ensure your condensed milk is ready to be cooked into toffee. This guide will walk you through each step, making it simple and fun. Let's start with the base. Crush about 250 grams of digestive biscuits until they resemble fine crumbs. Mix these crumbs thoroughly with 100 grams of melted butter. Press this buttery mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch pie dish, creating an even crust. Now for the toffee. Carefully boil an unopened can of sweetened condensed milk in water for 2.5 to 3 hours. This transforms it into a luscious dulce de leche. Once your toffee has cooled, carefully open the can and spread the thick, golden dulce de leche evenly over your prepared biscuit base. Next, peel and slice 3 ripe bananas into rounds. Arrange these banana slices neatly over the toffee layer, covering it completely. Finally, whip 300 milliliters of cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, fluffy peaks. This will be the airy topping for your pie. To finish your Banoffee masterpiece, spoon the freshly whipped cream generously over the banana layer, creating a beautiful, cloud-like topping. For a final touch, grate some dark chocolate over the cream or dust with a little cocoa powder. This adds both visual appeal and a hint of bitterness to balance the sweetness. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Banoffee pie.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.